Welcome back. As promised, let's shift focus now to the commodity space. Manisha Gupta is joining in, and today the focus is on crude oil. Manisha, it's been a sharp slide, but there's so much volatility as well in the world of crude.
Oh, it is, yes, Sonia. And if you look at the month of November, we've seen 10% of a decline come in for the crude oil prices already. From a high of almost $98 a barrel to around 86, 87 is the kind of low that we've seen, holding around those levels right now. But after yesterday's slide to 5% at one point in time, not only have we seen the crude prices recover, but Asian markets are trading in the positive right now. The whole hell broke loose after that Wall Street Journal report, which said that OPEC and allies in its 4th December meeting could be looking to increase production. After that, of course, OPEC, Saudi Arabia and Russia have reiterated and talked about not increasing, but perhaps cutting production because the prices have declined so much. And everybody has been talking about lower demand going forward in this year and the first quarter of 2023. That is when you saw buying coming into the markets. So what the street would really watch out now for is the December 4th meeting itself, where OPEC and allies will review the production policy and talk about global demand going forward as well. So it would be interesting to see on what they decide for the month of January there. In the meanwhile, you already have seen Chinese COVID cases continue to increase. China already has cut its December import volumes by half from Saudi Arabia, and that would continue to weigh onto the prices here. The other important thing that the street will watch out for is the December 5th price cap decision that is expected to come from G7 and the European Union. If that comes in, that perhaps would be supportive for prices, because Russia says if that happens, then it would stop providing crude oil to all those countries who are participating in this price cap. So the next 10-15 days are going to be very volatile, interesting, eventful when it comes to crude oil prices. And that's exactly what we've already seen in sense of price moves.
Indeed, yesterday wild swings, right? Down $5 from $87 per barrel to